If you're looking to switch your welder from flux core to shielding gas, this is the video for you. Step one is to secure your cylinder. We have ours secured on this nice weld stand. You click on the link in the upper right hand corner. You can see how we put it together. Step two, remove this cap off the cylinder. The directions also want you to crack this a little bit just to get any dust out of here.
No, I did not see that coming!
Next, we're going to install our regulator. And next, we get to connect the regulator to the welder. Now we get to go inside the welder. First thing we're going to do is swap these because we're getting rid of this flux core, so we need to change the polarity. Better. Next, we're going to remove our flux core so that way we can put in the new stuff. We're going to straighten out our cable so that way it's easier to pull this out. There it is. Sweet. I'm going to bend it through this little hole. I do not want this to come unraveling on me. There we go. Before we put that other one in, we're going to switch the drive roll. The wire that we're going to use with the shielding gas is 0.025. So we're going to flip that this way. Now we're ready to put our other spool in. We got this Super Arc L56 mild steel MIG wire. I'm trying to straighten it a little bit here. There we go. With solid core wire, we need to be a little bit tighter on this than if we were using flux core because it's a smaller diameter. Oh yeah. Sweet. The last thing we need to do before we get this thing welding is to swap out the tip.
That's what she said!
The tip we originally had in here was 0.035, and that was for the flux core. Now that we have this smaller diameter solid core in here, we need to swap that out. Oh, there it went, Lee. It's 14 to 18 liters a minute. 14 to 18, right? 16 is right in the middle. Here's a good look at what it'll look like with the flux core. We're going to flip this over and lay some beads and see what it looks like. So here we have our flux core welds. Here we have our shielding gas, and you can see right away that the shielding gas just leaves an all-around cleaner weld, which is exactly why we added it. Heck yeah. So there you have it. Now you know how to switch your welder from flux core to solid core. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on next week's episode of The Roy Garage. Guys, don't forget to turn your gas off when you're done playing for the day. Safety first.